G'day everyone, it's Chris O. I did the first coat of this waterproof. I sealed the walls first, did all the silicone and that sort of thing, and then popped on one coat. I'm tiling this toilet as well at the same time, and I went for lunch while this was drying. I had a fan on. So now we'll zap into the second coat, and then I'll carry on with the toilet tiling until I go home. And then tomorrow I'll bed this floor and we'll arfen. It's a small, on the floor, it's a small 200 by 200 floor tile, 6x3 white on the walls. Everyone goes for white. They're a good tile and they're cheap. And they're nicely cut to size. People love them. They freshen up a bathroom no end. So right now we're getting into this. So that's my second coat. I'll do a third coat in the shower area once I lay my aluminium. I'll show you how I lay my aluminium. It'll be 25 to 30 mil high. I'll show you in the morning how I do it. For those that want to do the same sort of bathroom, it's the way to go. Water stop, you have a seamless floor, bloody beautiful. We'll get that out. So as usual, it's been a fantastic, productive day for me. I don't work super long hours, but I get a lot done, I tell you. I was asked the other day, did I want to go on the pension because I'm eligible for the friggin' pension, would you believe it? Well, bugger me. As if I would, for God's sake. Why would a person be dictated to what they could earn? If you're young enough or you feel young enough, why would I go on $400 or $380, I think the pension pays, for God's sake. So, nah. There's heaps to go in this old boy yet, and if I can teach you what I know, we're home and hose. Haha. Yeah, so this is all the second coat. I hope you guys out there in my videos, you're learning heaps. I really hope so. Please make a comment in the comments column what you'd like to see, what you'd like me to show you. I take that quite seriously, actually, the comments from people. It's the only way to bring out what you'd like to see. Hopefully all this you'd like to see, but let me know. I had a comment the other day, Jesus, I've forgotten his name, but he was asking me, could I please tell him the height of my aluminium water stop and that sort of thing as I go. Well, yes, I'll be making a point of that tomorrow, so stay tuned everyone, and you'll see, because it's a water stop is very important, very. Extremely important. Now they reckon out there that, you know, the thicker the coat is not necessarily the best. So you bang it on and roll it out a bit. Bloody gorgeous. It's quite hot today, so it's drying quite fast, which is good. I like it a lot. Dee 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 dee.